10 must-know tips for packing to study abroad. You've been invited to study abroad for a semester or even a full year. So, what do you need to bring? What don't you need? And how do you get it all there? We've compiled these 10 tips to help you prepare for studying abroad. Bring the right documents. To get into the country where you'll be studying, you need a passport. If you don't already have one, give yourself at least 8 weeks to get one. You can expedite yours for a fee. Your passport will remain valid for 10 years and come in handy if you intend to visit neighboring countries during your time overseas. Some countries also require a visa, a document allowing you to stay in that country for a specified amount of time. Check to see if your country requires one and apply early. You'll also want to bring your International Student Card, ISC, which entitles you to discounts at restaurants, shops, and more overseas, and carries medical and emergency benefits. The ISC card can also serve as an additional form of identification when you study abroad. If you don't get one, consider applying for a proof of age card instead. Additionally, you will likely need an International Certificate of Vaccine, ICV. Some countries required these even before COVID to prove you had received vaccinations for diseases like polio, malaria, meningitis, or yellow fever. Today, you may have to present one proving you've been vaccinated for COVID as well. Always bring your documents with you on the plane, not packed in your luggage. Never ship them, and make several copies. Know the country. Before you start packing for your move to study abroad, study the country you'll call home. Its climate, culture, geography, and recreational opportunities will influence what you pack. For example, the tank top you can wear in London would offend people in Dubai. Also, consider how rural your destination is. Will you be able to buy toiletries at a nearby store, or will you have to either bring them with you or have them shipped? Weather plays a big factor in what you pack too. Depending on when you go and where you go, you may experience one season or several. Winter usually means bulky jackets, gloves, scarves, hats, and boots, which can take up a lot of room in your suitcases. Some airlines will allow you to ship boxes as checked luggage, so you could theoretically pack a box of winter clothes. Or your parents can use a service like U-Haul affiliated college boxes to get coats and warm clothes to you when you need them. Pack the right clothes to study abroad. Based on what you learn about the country, pack clothes suitable for your time studying and your time exploring the country. As a starting point, you'll want to bring shirts, pants, dresses, skirts, and everyday clothes, underwear, socks, and undergarments, at least one nice outfit, pajamas and comfy clothes, bathing suit, exercise clothes for working out, hiking, and adventures, bathing suit, light jacket, don't forget footwear. Since international destinations sometimes have cobblestone streets, unpaved walkways, and other difficult terrains, your footwear deserves special consideration. Keep your selections simple and stick to these tried and true options. Comfortable shoes for walking, athletic shoes or trail shoes for hiking and outdoor adventures. One pair of nice shoes, choose wedges over stilettos. Flip-flops for hostile showers or the beach, slippers or gripper socks for colder climates. Add toiletries and other necessities. Once you've settled on your clothes and footwear, finish your packing by adding toiletries to your luggage. Shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. Contact lenses, solution, and eyewear. Deodorant. Cosmetics. Sunscreen. Feminine products. Contraceptives. Laptop, charger, and supplies. Mobile device, cell phone, and tablet. Pen, pencils, and school supplies. Camera, if you enjoy photography. Journal to record your experiences. Paper map, in case you can't rely on cell service. Small backpack for day trips. Padlock for hostel lockers. Leave these items at home. Some items should be left at home. For starters, don't bring anything that marks you as a foreigner. This includes sports jerseys, Greek life apparel, and popular American brands like Ford. Skip items with an American flag or USA emblazoned on them. All of these items mark you as a tourist and an easy target for pickpocketing. You'll also want to leave behind clothes that can't be mixed and matched or layered. If you're not sure how to create a wardrobe that optimizes mixing and matching, especially for a trip, you'll find several videos on YouTube. Some videos specifically address mixing and matching clothes for men. A word of caution, though, don't shop for a completely new wardrobe to bring with you. Go with your favorites and add a few new pieces if you must. Don't overpack to study abroad. Most international flights allow at least one, sometimes 2 checked bags. Depending on the airline and destination, you may be able to check additional bags or boxes for a fee. But keep in mind that whatever bags you bring, you have to get them to and from the airport. Try to keep your luggage limited to 2 large, checked suitcases for your clothes, toiletries, favorite products, and other necessities. In your carry-on, bring your electronics, laptops, tablets, etc., chargers, essential gear, and prescriptions. You may also want to pack a fresh t-shirt and a toothbrush for long flights. After you arrive, if you find you need more clothes or left things at home, your parents can send you a care package through FedEx or UPS. Or, for larger packages, they can ship necessities through college boxes. Buy an adapter. Many foreign countries use different electrical standards than the United States. That means the voltage may be too high for your device, damaging or destroying it altogether. Also, if the outlet shape is different, your plug may not fit into a standard outlet in the country where you are studying. Before you go, find out what the voltage is in your destination and what shape the outlet is. You can purchase adapters shaped to plug into the country's outlets at electronics stores like Best Buy or online. These same outlets will also sell converters, which can cut on and off the current, so you can use items like a hairdryer. They will also sell transformers specifically designed to reduce the voltage for electronics like your laptop. Request medical records. Even though you'll probably only study abroad for a short period of time, you'll want to have your medical records with you in case you become ill. If you take prescription medications, make sure you get a copy of your prescription too, not only for refills, but to show a doctor has directed you to take them. However, even with a prescription, you may not be able to bring some medications into certain countries. For example, if you take Adderall for ADHD and bring it into Japan, you risk arrest and imprisonment. Some countries also ban medications we buy over the counter here in the US. Japan prohibits some sinus and allergy medications like Sudafed, and Thailand requires a special permit for traveling with strong painkillers, such as codeine. While on the subject, don't risk transporting, handling, or taking drugs or alcohol in any foreign country. Many countries, especially in the Middle East, have harsh penalties, including imprisonment, for the above activities, regardless of your age. Bring your favorite products. If you can't survive without your favorite products, like a snack or brand of soap, then by all means pack a few packages in your luggage. 1 or 2 items that remind you of home may help you cope as you adjust to a new country. Don't get carried away though. Your parents and friends can always send these items in a care package later. The same goes for any items you didn't realize you'd need when you left. So don't stress too much about what to bring and whether you're bringing enough with you. Just pack the necessities listed above, and you should have enough to get by until you receive that first care package or box of essentials from home. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did,